Do you want to speak English but you don't know where to start? Maybe you have tried before but it felt too difficult. Today that changes. Hey friends, welcome back to English Degree. I'm Olivia and this is episode 2. In this episode I have 25 simple real English sentences for you. These are sentences that native speakers use every single day. For each sentence I will explain what it means and when to use it. Then you will repeat it after me. I will speak slowly and naturally so that you can hear every word clearly and learn the right way to say it. Are you ready? Let's start with sentences about your personal life. These are sentences you use when someone wants to know more about you. Sentence 1. I have a brother and a sister. We use this sentence to talk about our family. Have here means to be related to someone. You can change a brother and a sister to describe your own family. For example, I have 2 brothers or I have no sisters. It is a very natural way to talk about family. Now you say it. I have a brother and a sister. Say it with me one more time. I have a brother and a sister. Sentence 2. My mother is a teacher. This is how we talk about what someone in our family does for work. The structure is simple. My plus a family member. Plus is plus a job. For example, my father is a doctor. My brother is a student. You can use this structure for anyone. Now you say it. My mother is a teacher. Say it with me one more time. My mother is a teacher. Sentence 3. I live in a small house. This sentence tells people where you live and what it is like. Live in means the place where you stay every day. You can say a big house, a small apartment, or a quiet village. It is a very common sentence when people ask about your home. Now you say it. I live in a small house. Say it with me one more time. I live in a small house. Sentence 4. I have a dog at home. This is how we talk about pets. At home means in your house where you live. You can change a dog to any pet, a cat, a bird, a fish. If you have no pets, you can say, I don't have any pets at home. Both are useful sentences. Now you say it. Asterisk I have a dog at home. Say it with me one more time. I have a dog at home. Sentence 5. My best friend lives near me. Best friend means your closest friend, the one you trust the most. Lives near me means they stay close to where you live. This is a warm and personal sentence. It is also a great way to practice the word near, which means not far away, close by. Now you say it. My best friend lives near me. Say it with me one more time. My best friend lives near me. Now let's learn sentences you use when you need help from someone. These are very important for everyday situations. Sentence 6. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me is what we say to get someone's attention politely. Then can you help me? Is a simple and friendly way to ask for help. Together, this sentence is one of the most useful things you can say in English in a shop, on the street, or anywhere. Now you say it. Excuse me, can you help me? Say it with me one more time. Excuse me, can you help me? Sentence 7. How much does this cost? We use this sentence when we want to know the price of something. How much asks about quantity, especially money. Does this cost means the price of the thing you are pointing to or asking about. This is one of the most important sentences for shopping. Now you say it. How much does this cost? Say it with me one more time. How much does this cost? Sentence 8. I would like a glass of water, please. I would like is a polite way to ask for something. It is more polite than I want. We use it in restaurants, cafes, or whenever we are asking for something from someone. The word please at the end makes it even more polite. Now you say it. I would like a glass of water, please. Say it with me one more time. I would like a glass of water, please. Sentence 9. Where is the bathroom? Asterisk. This is one of the most important questions you will ever need in English. Where is asks about the location of something. The bathroom is the room with a toilet. In some places people say restroom or washroom. They all mean the same thing. Now you say it. Where is the bathroom? Say it with me one more time. Where is the bathroom? Sentence 10. Can I have the menu, please? We use this sentence in a restaurant when we want to see the list of food and drinks. Can I have is a polite and natural way to ask for something to be given to you. It is very common in English-speaking countries. Now you say it. Can I have the menu, please? Say it with me one more time. Can I have the menu, please? Now let's learn sentences about how you feel and what you think. These sentences help you express yourself in English. Sentence 11. I feel happy today. Feel is the verb we use to talk about emotions. Happy is a very positive emotion. It means you are in a good mood. You can change happy to any feeling: tired, nervous, excited, sad. This simple structure works for all of them. Now you say it. I feel happy today. Say it with me one more time. I feel happy today. Sentence 12. I am very tired right now. Tired means your body or mind needs rest. Right now means at this moment, not earlier, not later, right now. This is a very honest and very useful sentence. We use it all the time in everyday English. Now you say it. I am very tired right now. Say it with me one more time. I am very tired right now. Sentence 13. I think English is important. I think is how we share our opinion in English. It means this is what I believe. It is a soft and confident way to speak. You are not saying English is important as a fact. You are sharing your personal view. We use I think all the time in conversation. Now you say it. I think English is important. Say it with me one more time. I think English is important. Sentence 14. I like learning new things. I like plus a verb ending in ing. This is a very common English structure. I like learning. I like cooking. I like reading. Tells people what you enjoy doing. It is simple, natural, and very useful. Now you say it. I like learning new things. Say it with me one more time. I like learning new things. Sentence 15. This is very interesting. When something catches your attention and you want to know more about it, you say this. Interesting means it makes you curious. It is a positive and natural thing to say in a conversation. People like hearing it. Now you say it. This is very interesting. Say it with me one more time. This is very interesting. Now let's learn more sentences about the things you do every day. These will help you describe your daily life in English. Sentence 16. I read a book every night. Every night shows that this is a regular habit, something you do before sleeping. Reading is a wonderful habit and talking about it in English is very natural. You can also say every morning or every weekend to change when you do it. Now you say it. I read a book every night. Say it with me one more time. I read a book every night. Sentence 17. I exercise 3 times a week. 3 times a week means you do something on 3 different days every week. This is a very useful phrase. You can say once a week, twice a week, or every day. It is a great way to talk about how often you do something. Now you say it. I exercise 3 times a week. Say it with me one more time. I exercise 3 times a week. Sentence 18. I clean my room on weekends. On weekends means on Saturday and Sunday. This sentence describes a habit you have on your days off. Clean my room means to tidy up, to organize your space. It is a very normal and relatable sentence. Now you say it. I clean my room on weekends. Say it with me one more time. I clean my room on weekends. Sentence 19. I cook my own meals at home. Cook my own meals means you prepare your food yourself. You don't buy it from a restaurant every time. At home tells us where you do it. This is a sentence about independence and a healthy lifestyle. Now you say it. I cook my own meals at home. Say it with me one more time. I cook my own meals at home. Sentence 20. I listen to music when I study. This sentence has 2 actions connected by when. When I study tells us the situation. I listen to music tells us what you do during that time. This structure, I do this when I do that, is very common and very useful in English. Now you say it. I listen to music when I study. Say it with me one more time. I listen to music when I study. Sentence 21. I have a meeting tomorrow. I have a meeting means you are scheduled to meet with people for work or school. Tomorrow tells us when it is. This is a very common sentence in professional and everyday life. It is also useful when someone asks why you are busy. Now you say it. I have a meeting tomorrow. Say it with me one more time. I have a meeting tomorrow. Sentence 22. I need to buy some groceries. Groceries are food and household items that you buy from a shop. I need to means it is necessary, something you must do. This is a very practical sentence for everyday life, something millions of people say every single day. Now you say it. I need to buy some groceries. Say it with me one more time. I need to buy some groceries. Sentence 23. I am busy right now. This is a simple and honest sentence. Busy means you have a lot to do and you cannot stop. Right now means at this moment. You can use this when someone calls you, messages you, or asks you for something when you are in the middle of a task. Now you say it. I am busy right now. Say it with me one more time. I am busy right now. Sentence 24. Let me check my schedule. Let me is a polite way to say you are going to do something. Check my schedule means to look at your calendar or planner to see what you have planned. This is a very professional and natural sentence that native speakers use all the time. Now you say it. Let me check my schedule. Say it with me one more time. Let me check my schedule. Sentence 25. See you tomorrow. This is our final sentence and it is one of the most friendly things you can say in English. We say this when we are leaving someone and we know we will meet them again the next day. It is warm, natural, and simple. And the best part, you will use this sentence almost every single day. Now you say it. See you tomorrow. Say it with me one more time. See you tomorrow. And that is all for episode 2. You just learned 25 brand new English sentences. Together with episode 1, you now have 45 real sentences that you can use in your everyday life. Here is my advice, go back and listen to both episodes again. Say the sentences out loud. Say them in the morning. Say them at night. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel. Now here is a little challenge for you. Look at all 25 sentences from today. Pick your favorite one and write it in the comments below. I would love to read it. This is English Degree and I'm Olivia. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button on this video. It really helps. And if you want more simple and useful English sentences every week, subscribe to this channel. Every episode is made to help you speak English more naturally and more confidently. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you in episode 3.